Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel, Jory's Kitchen. And if you're watching for the first time, thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be making a real quick and easy simple meal. It's Jamaican trimmed fried rice. So if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and most importantly, ring that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So I'll be using about a pound of shrimp, and I have my Jamaican jerk sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my shrimp just to marinate it, just to give it a little Jamaican flavor to it. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. So this shrimp is already pre-cooked, so we don't need to cook it for too long. Probably about maybe 2 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and beat my eggs. And I'll be adding the rest of the black pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add my olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're gonna test it just to see if it's ready. It's ready now. We're gonna go ahead, go in with our eggs. And our onions. Add a little bit more olive oil. And we're gonna go in with the rest of our seasoning, some bell peppers and green onions. So we're gonna let it saute for a few minutes. So you see, this is a quick and easy meal to prepare. Now I'm gonna go in with my shrimp. And you know, shrimp takes a few minutes to cook. If you overcook your shrimp, it's gonna be robbery. And I wash my shrimp with lime juice and some vinegar. So this is some Chinese fried rice with some Jamaican flavor added to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to it, just a pinch of sugar, just to give it a little more flavor. And now I'm gonna go in with my rice. So this rice was cooked from last night and I refrigerated it. We're gonna add it. We're just adding it a little bit at a time. So this is enough. So make sure that you don't have any lumps. So now I'm gonna go in with my soy sauce. So now it's time for the taste test. You have to try this. Very good. So this is it, my Jamaican inspired shrimp fried rice. So if you have not done so, please like and share my video, and most importantly, ring that notification bell and Take care. Bye, guys.